Every morning, millions of people scroll through feeds that whisper back exactly what they want to hear, never realizing they're trapped in the most subtle prison of all. The mind that seeks validation from its own reflection will forever mistake the echo for the voice. This is confirmation bias in its most dangerous form, not the obvious political bubbles we recognize, but the quiet way we curate our entire reality to confirm our limitations. We follow accounts that tell us our dreams are unrealistic, consume content that validates our excuses, and surround ourselves with voices that echo our fears back to us. But here lies the hidden lesson. The same neural pathways that create these echo chambers can be rewired to seek discomfort, to hunger for perspectives that challenge rather than comfort. Neuroplasticity doesn't discriminate. It strengthens whatever patterns we feed it. The question becomes, are you feeding your mind echoes of who you think you are, or voices of who you could become? Start questioning not just what you believe, but why you choose to believe it. Join Elite Mindset TV, where we break the mirrors to find the truth,